Hi, it's the Holy Heroes Dad here. I don't know if you've heard this incredible story. A man whose home was in the midst of all these fires in California, his home survived. Here's a picture that's been posted, the devastation all around it. We have the information below. He credits it to doing the Epiphany Home Blessing on his home. The Epiphany Home Blessing is a blessing that the head household can do. We have a download below. You can get the prayers, and it explains exactly what you need to do with your family. And you mark the doors of your home so it's a public indication of your faith. You say, I trust you, God. I ask your blessing on my home. You can get that down below. We also, if you'd like to go an extra step, we have a kit that includes that, but it also includes a St. Benedict medal. Now, this St. Benedict medal has been around for 1,500 years, and it's shown to defend against evil that's directed against your home or directed against those that are inside, the inhabitants, your whole family. It is the only medal in the Catholic Church that is actually officially blessed with the prayer of exorcism, and we include in the kit, in English and in Latin, the prayers that you can have a priest or a deacon pray this exorcism prayer on your medal and then put it in your home, and it's been shown again and again and again to protect against evil. Now, you may not know this, but God often shows his power in protecting against fire. And I'm going to give you a piece of scripture which is awe-inspiring in just a second. But did you know that the worst fire in the history of the United States was not the Chicago fire? It's not this fire. It was a fire that actually occurred in Wisconsin about 150 years ago. And it is the site of the only approved Marian apparition in the United States, Our Lady of Champion. We also have that whole story for you and the miracles that are involved there. Also an amazing miracle of fire, of protection. But listen to this. This is from Daniel, the prophet Daniel, chapter 7. He talks about his vision of God. Thrones were placed, and the one that was Ancient of Days took his seat, the Ancient of Days being God the Father. His raiment was white as snow, and the hair of his head like pure wool. His throne was fiery flames. Its wheels were burning fire. A stream of fire issued and came forth from before him, and he's in the midst of it. I strongly encourage you, protect and ask for the blessings of God. And trust it to him in faith with the Epiphany Home Blessing. We'll tell you how to do that below. You can also see a great little short video about this amazing story from this man who did the blessing on his home. And also, if you'd like to get the kit that includes this St. Benedict medal and have your priest or deacon read the prayers, do the official blessing of the church as an exorcism prayer on this medal to protect your family from evil this year. God bless you.